A very good morning, children. So, today we are going to end up our exercise 2.4 along with the chapter 2 with this last question. Very important and nice question. Just look. Find the greatest 7-digit number. Find the greatest 7-digit number which is exactly divisible. Which is exactly divisible by the greatest 2-digit number. We have been discussing throughout this exercise the concept of exactly divisible. Exactly divisible means when the remainder of any division, is equal to 0, then we can say such divisions as exactly divisible divisions. Okay? When the remainder is 0, such divisions we call divisions which are exactly divisible. Now, I want to repeat the concept again with a simple example because very useful and helpful question. So, I am going to divide 8 with 2. Okay? You say 2 4s are 8 and the remainder is going to be 0. So, as the remainder is 0, we can say that 8 divided by 2 is exactly divisible. Okay? 8 is exactly divisible by 2. Listen, 8 is exactly divisible by 2 because remainder is 0 here. Now, I want to divide 9 by using 2. So, 2 4s are 8 again. The remainder is going to be 1. So, 9 divided by 2 is not exactly divisible. That means 9 is not exactly divisible. Okay, 9 is not exactly divisible by 2. Exactly divisible by 2. Okay, when I am explaining the related question, probably that fourth question of this exercise, in order to make this number to be exactly divisible, what we have to do? What we have to do is this extra remainder which is objecting the dividend to be exactly divisible. Okay, look, I am going slowly. This one is extra number which is objecting 9 to be divisible by 2. Hope you are clear. Here 9 is not exactly divisible by 2 because remainder is 1 and not 0. Okay, remainder is 1. So, in order to make this 9 to be exactly divisible by 2, we need to get another number, that is 9. This remainder is 1, isn't it? If we subtract that remainder from 9, what you will get? 8. We already know that 8 is exactly divisible by 2. So, through this what you have to understand is, they are asking us, you take a greatest 7-digit number as a dividend like 9 or 8 and divide it with greatest 2-digit number. Hope you are clear. Take a greatest 7-digit number and divide it with the greatest 2-digit number. For example, if you get the remainder 0, then not a problem. We can say that it is exactly divisible. But if you get some other remainder other than 0, what we have to do, just like this, we will subtract that remainder from the number so that you will get the exactly divisible number. Hope you are clear, children. Now let us move to the problem. So being 99 table, it is very easy. No need to write the table for this. So I am directly starting the solution. Look. So what is the greatest 7-digit number? Greatest 7-digit number. Greatest 7-digit number is equal to 7-digit number. As you know, it contains 7 nines. 9, 9, 9, 9, 9 and 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now, what is the greatest 2-digit number? Greatest 2-digit number. greatest two digit number is equal to, again it is 99. Okay. So 99,99,999 is the greatest 7 digit number and 99 is the greatest 2 digit number. Now please observe the board very carefully, children. Now what they are saying is, you take that greatest small digit number, greatest 2 digit number as the divisor. Okay, the greatest 2 digit number as the divisor, and now take greatest 7 digit number as the dividend. Okay, so that is what we are doing now. The greatest 7 digit number as the dividend and the greatest 2 digit number as the divisor. Now observe the division carefully. So we know that 99 ones are 99. Upon subtraction you will get 0 and we can drop down 1 9. But as you know, this 9 is very much smaller than 99. So in order to get the next digit of the dividend, what we are doing? We are keeping 0 in the quotient. Hope you are clear. Usually some number should be here, but we got directly 0. For that, 9 is very small, which we cannot subtract now. In that regard, in order to drop extra 9, that means the next digit of the dividend here, I kept 0. Okay. Now we have 99. 99 ones are 99. So upon subtraction, we'll get 0 again and 0 here. We'll get 9 from the dividend being the next digit. Again the same problem arises, just like here we have 9 and here 99. So we cannot divide 9 with 99. So in order to get the next digit of the dividend, which is 9, we should keep here 0. Hope you are understanding, children. And lastly, 99 ones are 99. The remainder is 0, 0. And the last digit of the dividend 9 came here. Now, through this what you have to understand is, now look, once I am comparing the same with the division which we performed earlier. So 2, 9, 2 4s are 8 and we have the remainder as 1. So what we have already learned, this 1 is making 9 to be exactly divisible by 2. Like compare this with this division, children. This 9 is restricting this 99,99,999 to be exactly divisible by 99. So in that case what we did, we subtracted this extra remainder from the dividend, so that 9 minus 1 is equal to 8, which is exactly divisible by 2. The same case here. In order to make this digit to be exactly divided by 99, we have to subtract this extra 9 from the dividend. Okay. Therefore, 99,999 minus 9 is equal to 99,99,990. So through this what we can understand is, count the number of digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 99,99,990 is the greatest 7-digit number that is going to be divisible by greatest 2-digit number. Okay. So 99,99,990 is exactly divisible by the greatest 2-digit number, that is 99. Very important question, children. Okay, because this kind of questions creates a firm stand for the next chapter. So hope you understood. This is not required. So this ends up the chapter and the exercise. Tomorrow and the day after tomorrow I will give some worksheets based on the same. which you can solve so that you'll have better idea on what we have discussed so far through this chapter. Have a great day, children. That's all for today.